Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
I think the key in there, man. I don't know why.
Inside?
Yeah, charger ain't supposed to lock with the key inside,
But you see it from here?
Hmm?
Are you sure it's inside?
I believe so. I think it's a white paper. It's like a white paper in the
Oh, okay.
by my charger. I think it's in there. I don't even remember taking the keys out of my pocket, but the key gotta be in there.
Should be. Okay. 95? Okay.
That's the same thing I do.
Thank you, bye. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's so the other key. Appreciate it, bro. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.